job. I ain't working for these people no more. Look how trashy it is now. Somebody told me I wasn't doing my job. But it's all good. When this motherfucker trash, let it be trash. When people start busting out windows, I ain't doing shit. I was doing my job. And they was helping. They helped me. I paid them money some days to pick up the trash can. I mean, the bed stuff that was stood by the trash can. I'm gonna tell you what's so cool about it. Everybody over here out of help, and they still turn back around and they did me wrong. If the whole time of the people, some people around here that $2 grand ain't down, I done gave them money, man. I done gave them money, man. Like that studio said about that dude, girl down there. They got $40 for me and they didn't want to pay my $40 before they talked to me and told me they don't give me far because she didn't want to give me my $40. Black dude. The next day after they was talking shit to me, he ended up beating her up and went to jail. And then they called the people and told them I wasn't doing my job. You know what's so cool about it? Them people still owe money. Next door. Still owe my daddy money. They would come and I would have some weed on me sometimes. They would come and get weed and I would give them. Just give them something on GP to come to wait till they get their little $10 to $20 to pay. And bro, they still got mad because I don't think, see, I really don't think that they stole. I don't think that they stole nothing because I'm going to tell you something. I used to talk to them about the studio stuff. So, the girls, that girl and that dude was around here, stole that shit, put that in that car. They want to see that stuff. They said, oh boy, him and old boy stole that. Him and old boy was always coming to my apartment. I never seen them throwing shit. But what's so cold about it, on GP of them saying that they did it, I had to call them all.